Yeah. Seen it? Hello. Hello. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, look at this skill. Open with beak only. No foot involved in this trick. Oh, who pushed Lizzie off? You pushed Lizzie off? Lizzie. Lizzie, Liz. Where are you, Lizzie? Lizzie, Lizzie. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. There you are. Fluffy. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy kiss. So good, you never miss. Come on. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. There we go. Fluffy. Oh, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Thank you. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Do I get a kiss? Thank you. There you go, Lizzie. Fluffy. Oh, no, it's not fluff. Done swapper burbs. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, hello, burb. Hello. Cecil B, you on a... That camera, I'm sure, has somehow got an angle of dangle. Or is it the same? Probably the same. Creative. Yeah, it's definitely not level. I have to turn on the leveler for the display. Oh, hello. Yes, hello. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Right. Lizzie. Lizzie, Liz. Where are you, Lizzie? Lizzie, Lizzie. 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 Come on, Liz. Come on, Liz. Come on, Liz. Come on, Liz. There we go. Fluffy. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy kiss. So good, you never miss. Hello. Thank you, Liz. Come on, Liz. Come on, Liz. Oh, yes, footburbs. Yes, footburbs. I think it's footburbs. Or is it haro bird? Well, it's certainly the flufficator. Stretch your beak. Stretch your beak. Go, Lizzie. Now, we got a tails view. Oh, yes, we're eating a nut. Oh, Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy. Stretch your beak. Come on, Lizzie. Thank you. Stretch your beaks. Stretch your beak. Hello, Cecil B, rotating on the tripod. Oh, stretch your beak, stretch your beak. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got seed in my tummy. Fluffy. Lizzie, Liz. Oi, don't undo the phone. We're eating the USB cable. Excuse me. Oh, I missed. Oh, and a big poop to you. Oh, I can't throw the seed far enough. Yeah, no eating the tripod, please. Lizzie, thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Fluffy, Fluffy. Oh, Lizzie, I've got so much seed down inside the hoodie and shirt. Excuse me. Pecky beak. Pecky beak, I gotcha. 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 Almost. Or, who's that? Hello? Oh, thank you, it's footburb. It's footburbs. It's a footburb. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Come on, footburbs. Thank you, Lizzie, Liz. Come on, Liz. Footburbs. Fluffy. Footburb. 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 Come on, footburb. Come on, Liz. Thank you, footburbs. Liz, come on, Fluff. Footburb. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Kissy kiss. Kissy kiss. Whoop. Fluffy. 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 Oh, Lizzie. Careful, Lizzie. No scratchies. No scratchies. Footburbs. Footburbs. Fluffy. Bite people on the butt. Hey, no beak. Hey, no beakerisms. Behave. Thank you. Oh, Lizzie, you're over here now. Oh, excuse me. They've actually broken into the bottom of the bag. They've actually managed to get through all the time I wasn't looking. Oh, you notification of the birdification. What to do, boobies? I'm going to have to put that in the garbology bag. That is so naughty of you, you know. I normally got that within sight, but you managed to distract me. Excuse me, Fluff. Fluff and stuff and all things enough, or whatever I'm trying to say, or not rough. Excuse me, little ones, you got a squishification from the bummification. Oh, we're even more of a, oi, yeah, an angle of the dangle on the camera. Thank you, Fluff. Oh, nuts to you, nuts to you. Fluffy. Thank you, headburbs. Oh well, creative angles. Yes, come on, come on. Fluffy, come on, Fluff, come on, Fluff. Rock, rock. Fluffy. Not into the nanas today. No, not a nana day. No. Oh, you're into the bananas. There you go. Fluffy. 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 Who else we got? Which bird we got? Oh, yes. Hello, Lizzie. Hello, Lizzie. Hello, Fluff. And stuff. Come on, Lizzie. Lizzie's so busy. Thank you. Kissy, kiss, Liz. Hey, honk, honk. Is that honk, honk? Yes, Fluffy. Oh, grab a kiss, Fluffy kiss. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Fluffy. Oh, swap. Oh, Fluffy got pushed off. That's very unusual. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy, kissy, kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh, yes. I missed that. General burbification in this mighty nation or something. Thank you, Lizzie. Maxi cleanup after this. The cleanup crew will be busy. Washing machine will be busy. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy, kissy, kiss, kiss, kiss. So very good. You never miss. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Scratchification. Hey. Thank you. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy, kiss, 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 kiss. Fluffy. 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 Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, you're not missing out. I wouldn't worry about it. Lizzie, Liz. Thank you, Liz. Kiss, kiss. Fluffy. Lizzie, Liz. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Hey, don't kiss Lizzie out. Hello, Cecil B. You look at you, fluffer-choppered. There's another one. As Kay said in a message when I commented, any resemblance of English goes out the window with, thank you, Lizzie, with maxi parrots. Excuse me, Lizzie. You left some seed in my ear for later. Oh, Lizzie, Lizzie. Where's Lizzie? Where's the Lizzie? Oh, Fluffy. Lizzie, right? Excuse me. What's that look about? Hey? What's that look about? Honk, honk. Thank you, honk. Turkey Meister. Oh! Come on, Lizzie. Oh. Yum, 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 but Oh? Swappification. Honk, honk. Fluffy. Honk, honk. Burb, burb. Burb, burb. Fluffy, 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 fluffy. Honk, honk. Bob, bob of the bucket, bucket. There was a young bird called Bob. Hey. Oh, Fluffy. Oh, why don't you come up, Fluff? I know, fluffing up's one thing. You'll come up on my arm one time, but not the next. Why not? Why not? Yeah, I know. You reckon you have it delivered, yeah? Special delivery for the flufficator. Hey there, pillow birds. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Thank you, honk honk. Honk honk. Fluffy. Yes, Fluff. You are a very much there. What am I trying to say, Fluff? I don't know. You say it better than I do. Oh, not eating the fruit. Down there they will. Fluffy. You're very descriptive. A talky, squawky birdy. No, not squawkies. Rexy bird is the squawker. And you're the talker. Hello. Hello. It's the Fluffy show.